All right, yesterday you watched a video that kind of introduced our new unit, and today we're going to do a word study on some of the important vocabulary words. So you probably noticed that there were 4 spheres that were mentioned. So we're going to look at what sphere means. So it's a Greek word for ball, and the names of the Earth's 4 spheres are derived from the ancient Greek. See if I can present this. So we're going to read the definition and see if we know what the root word bio in biosphere means. So the definition is all living things, including plants and animals, is also known as the biosphere. So bio means life. So whenever we're looking at the biosphere, we're thinking about the living things on the earth. So all the plants and animals that make up the earth. And then our second sphere, we're going to see if we can figure out what the root word hydro means. So for this one, all of the Earth's water bodies, including the lakes, the rivers, streams, oceans, groundwater, and ice caps, are known as the hydrosphere. So what do you think hydro means? And you are correct if you said water. So the hydrosphere involves, water, and this, names all the different forms of the water it could be. All right, and then this one already popped up, but I think you probably would have got that one. With geo and geosphere, it's the solid part of the Earth's crust consisting of the rocks and soil. So the geosphere, geo means land. So that's the Earth's land. And then atmo, the layer of gases surrounding the Earth, is known as the atmosphere. So atmo means gas. So that's the gases surrounding the Earth. All right, and then we're going to talk a lot about this word tomorrow, but we're going to talk about interact. And inter is a prefix that means between. So tomorrow we're going to look at what happens between the spheres. So that's going to be important, some of the things that happen between the spheres. And then the last thing on here, we'll talk more about this too in another video. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go outside if you can and just observe everything that you notice. And then I want you to place the things that you notice into categories. So everything that you might have found outside that belongs to the land would be in the geosphere. And then the biosphere, all the living things that you found outside. And then the hydrosphere, any water outside. And then the atmosphere would be the gases. So whenever you're doing this, if you can't go outside, then you can just think about what you would find outside, or you might can find a picture that has a lot of, nature type things, and see if you can use that to help you place some things in these categories. All right, so do your best on that, and then whenever you complete that, be sure to turn it in for today.